Today we are going to be putting up a clothesline. I say we, but most likely it'll be my husband putting up a clothesline while I supervise. We had to pick the ones that would be most feasible for a clothesline, and there were two trees actually in the way of that. So yesterday we chopped down both of them. One was an evergreen, probably about my height, and the other was a hedge apple tree about the same height. And my husband did that. I'm, let's just say, not very experienced in power tools, so using the chainsaw wasn't a safe idea for me. Might have lost a finger or a foot or something. Something. With my luck, I would have chopped something off besides the tree. We wanted to make the clothesline as strong as possible because we're trying to avoid getting one of the support poles to go in the middle. And we went to Lowe's and looked at what they had for clothesline cable, and it just looked super weak. So this is what we actually ended up buying to use as cable. And then we bought 3 of these, 2 of these, and 2 clips. And I think that's the size on those. And on the clips, and then sizes on the thimbles. So we're gonna see how that holds up. Hopefully we don't have to buy a support beam for the middle, but we'll find out. Okay, so to get these started, we used a hammer. All right, let's be honest, my husband used a hammer. To knock it into the tree, we're going to use a screwdriver to get it in tighter. I don't think I have the muscles for this.
Just the tip. No, use just the tip of the screwdriver, and then you get more leverage.
I can't
Now
do it.
adjust your screwdriver to where it's at the bottom now. Now do the same thing over.
Oh, poison ivy. Next up, we've got these, whatever these are called, and put it through there. And we bent it sideways because the opening wasn't actually big enough to go around it. So now we're going to bend it back. And we're going to do it to the other side. Okay, next we are going to thread this through here. We're going to leave a little excess so that we can squish it down tight. And this is what we're putting on the end of it. Get these at Lowe's. Get all this stuff at Lowe's actually. Can you get it? We are looping our cable
around that little U-shaped thimble thing we got from Lowe's. Next step are these clips. Put it on one side, cut through the holes. We're going to get as close to that as possible and tighten it. Butterfingers. Getting it tight all the way across with such thick cable wasn't easy. But he's finally got it. And he's moved that little clamp down to Butterfingers. Down to the end. I'm going to tighten it up again. Again, you want it as close to that as possible to keep your line tight. That's how it's done.